Hi viewers, this video is for the explanation of admin module in our ERP software. So this is the main page in our ERP software. So let's begin with logging in into the admin module. Here give the username and password. Click on remember me to save the ID and password here and then click on sign in. So this is the main page. So this is the home page of the admin dashboard. So let's start with degree and regulation upload. Here admin is going to upload all the degree present in a given academic year and regulation. So let's start by selecting the academic year to which you are going to upload the degrees. Select the regulation, and before you upload the data, click on download Excel template here. So this template can be used to fill the data and upload back to the degree and regulation page. So this is the format that has to be followed. The academic year, name of the university, level, name of the regulation, batch, name of the degree, program code, program. All this has to be included here. All this data should be included here. And then you have to upload this file back to the degree and regulation page. So click on choose file here. I'm showing you as example. Click on choose file here. This is for the example. So I'm choosing this file here. Click on open and click on upload here. So in this way you're going to upload the degree and regulations present in the given academic year. So let's move on to degree and regulation modify. Here in this page, the data you have added, the data you have already given in the degree and regulation upload page, you are going to modify it if required. So let's start by giving the data here and click on submit. So these are the details we have already given. You can view it here and click on add here. If you want to add a new course or new degree that has introduced in your institution, then give all the details of that degree and click on save. So in this way you are going to add a new course, and here there is an import option here. So if you are linked to Adhikrit exam cell software, all the data from that software is going to be imported here. So select the regulation of which the data you want to be imported. Select the regulation and submit. So in this way all the data from the exam cell software is going to be reflected here. Okay, now let's move on to other page. This is student admission form. Here we are going to here the admin is going to take admission forms of the students. So admin has to give all the data like name, date of admission, and here click on choose file and upload the photograph of the student. Here that photo will be reflected here, and all the required data here should be given, and click on submit in the end to save these details. Moving on to admission form modify. So all the details you have given here in the admission form upload page, you can modify it here just by giving the admission date and Aadhaar number of that student, and click on the admission form here. So the admission form will be previewed here, which can be modified as well. Let's move on to student upload. Here the admin is going to upload the details of the student that has took admission in the institution. Just select all the details and here click to download. So this is the same thing again. We have a template here, so use this template to fill the data and upload this file back again to the student upload page. So after filling all the details in this format, level, regulation, course applied, branch, semester, batch, hall ticket number, admission number, roll number, and year of joining, all these details, fill all the details in this format, and here click on choose file and select the same file again with the data and click on open. In this way, by clicking on upload, you are going to successfully upload the student details here. It's moving on to student signature. Here signatures of the students are going to be uploaded. Just select all the details first, give all the details. So here admin can upload all the signatures of the students. So before uploading, just click here on click to download. Download this Excel sheet and give all the data in this format. Fill all the data here. Go back. Here click on choose file. Select that file and click on open. Click upload here. So in this way, you're going to upload the signatures of all the students. Now let's move on to photo upload. Here, all the photographs of the students who are taking admission can be uploaded. Just give the details. Click on choose file and click on the file that has a picture of the student. Click on open and just upload it. Moving on to student thumb. This page is to upload the biometric of the student. Just select the appropriate options. I'm going with the left thumb. Click on choose file. Select select the file required file. Click on open and click upload here. As simple as that. Let's move on to elective subject allotment. Here, admin is going to allot elective subjects to the students. First, select all the details like which batch, which semester, and which section you are going to upload. You are going to allot the elective subjects to. Select all the details and click on submit here. After this, you are going to see a list of the students and the elective subjects. So where the subjects can be allotted to the students. Now let's move on to student details modify. Here, the student details that we have already given can be modified. If a student is not active, if a student has been detained from the institution, or if a student is no more part of the institution, you can delete the details of the student or you can modify it based on the requirement. So just give all the details, select the appropriate options from the drop down. And here you will find a list of the students from of this branch and semester where you can make changes. After giving all these details, you will find a list of the students whose details can be modified, whose status can be changed. Like if a student is in the active status, you can change the status of the student to alumni, demise or detained, whatever it is based on the requirement. And if the list is very long, you can search for a particular student by giving the roll number or name here. And this import option, if your institution is linked with ExamCell software, if your institution is linked with our Adhikrit ExamCell software, then all the data from the ExamCell software can be imported here just by selecting the batch and clicking on submit. You will get all the details of that batch. Next is student ID card generation. Here the admin can generate student ID cards. To generate ID cards, just give all the details here. Just give all the details and select the roll number of the student from this drop down and click on submit here. So in this way, you are going to generate ID card for that student. Let's move on to new student. If a new student has took admission in your institution, there's no need of uploading the student details using a Excel sheet. So using this page, the new details of a new student can be directly uploaded here. Just give all the details in the drop down. Just first select the level, regulation, course, branch, semester, all the things required here. Then upload the picture, upload all the biometrics, and upload the signature here. And after giving all the details, just click on save. In this way, you are going to upload the details of a new student. Next is section master creation. Here, the admin is going to create sections. First select all the details and click on create. So here, I'm going to give the section name as A, and I'm going to set the section strength as 50. So in this way, I'm creating a new section in this branch. So you can add as many branches you can add as many sections as you want. I'm creating one more just for the example, and I'm setting the section strength again as 50. Click on add section. So in this way, we can add as many sections as we want. So have created a section in branch ECE batch 2023 to 2027, and here you can click on delete and delete this data directly. And after creating the section, click on submit here to save these details. Now let's move on to student section allotment. Here, as we have already created sections, now we are going to allot students to those sections. First, click the appropriate options on the drop down and click on new first. So there are no students here, there's no data. Okay, click on view here. After giving all the details, click on view here. So we'll be getting the list of students who are allotted in this section. So these are all the students that are allotted in this section. You can directly delete this detail if you want by clicking on delete. So now let's move on to student promotion. So here you can promote the students to the next semester. So first select the appropriate options from the drop down and click on get students. So these are all the students that are enrolled in the second semester. So I'm just going to click third semester here and click on promote students. So in this way I have promoted all those students to third semester. So now let's move on to contact us. Here admin has to give all the contact details of the institution, like the official address, campus address, fax number, and also the contact numbers. Okay, next is contact us modify. So if we want to change any details that we have given in the contact us page, so all those details we have given in the contact us page can be modified here. So now let's move on to faculty upload data. Here admin has to upload all the details of the faculty. So earlier we have given all the details related to the student. Now we are going to give all the details related to the faculty. For that, first click on download Excel template. We are going to do the same thing again. We are going to add the data in that template, and we are going to upload it back here by clicking on the choose file. So let's move on to faculty modify or view. So these are the details we have uploaded in the faculty upload. So if you want to make any changes to these details, just click on edit here and make necessary changes. We can make any changes like this. So we can make any changes here, and after making all the changes, just click on submit. You can also delete this data if you want by clicking on the delete directly. So if the list is longer and you want to search for a particular faculty, use the search bar, give the faculty name or the department name like this, and you'll find the detail required. So here import button is given to get the data or to extract the data from ExamCell software. If your institution is linked to our Adhikrit ExamCell software, you can directly extract the data from there just by choosing the branch from this drop down and click on submit. In just these simple steps, you are going to extract the data from the ExamCell software. Now let's move on to faculty creation. Here, as we have uploaded the faculty data through an Excel sheet, if there's a new faculty in the institution, you can use this page to directly add the details of that faculty just by giving the information here and clicking on submit. So let's move on to course upload here. So we are done with the student, we are done with the faculty. Now we have to upload the data related to the courses. So just select all the details from the drop down, and here again click on download Excel template. In this way you're going to download our template given, give the data in this format, all the data required, and then click here on the choose file and select the file with the data and click on upload here. So this is how you upload the courses present in the given semester. So now let's move on to courses modify. Here the details or the courses we have added through an Excel sheet, we can modify those details. Just select the appropriate option from the drop down here and click on view. So here, after you give all the details, you'll find a list where all the courses are given. So you can just directly modify by clicking on the edit option given. And here in this, using this import button, you can extract the data from the Adhikrit exam cell software if your institution is linked with our Adhikrit exam cell software. Just select the batch here and click on submit. In these two simple steps, you are going to extract the data from exam cell software. So now let's move to courses new. Here, if you want to add a new course that has been introduced to your institution, just give all the details here. Select the appropriate option from the drop down, and here give the maximum internal marks it is going to carry and the maximum external marks it is going to carry, and all the details required, just like the course name, course code, credits, internal examination code, referral code, and other, all the details required here, and click on add course. So here you are going to successfully add the new course. Next is logo maintenance. Here the admin can maintain the logo of the institution. Just select the logo type, logo or banner, and click on choose file here. Select the file you want to upload and click on open. This is for the example, and click on upload here. So this is it for the maintenance. Let's move on to assign here. So here admin can add all the departments to which the chairman can assign tasks for. So first let's add departments. Click on add department here. See, and click on save. So I've added a new department here. This is just for the maintenance of departments, what all departments we have in the institution. Now let's move on to tasks. So here admin can maintain the tasks. For that, just click on add task, select the department, and click on add. Here you're going to enter the task and click on save. So here you can also view the tasks. There's no data here, but you can view the tasks that are assigned to the departments. So next is leave management. So here admin is going to upload all the types of leaves that are present in the institution. For that, just select the academic year and click on choose file. Here you're going to upload a file which has the data of all the types of leaves. Just click on upload here. So here the view reference option, this is the format that has to be followed. Just like this, see, we have given an example. The types of leaves are sick leaves, privilege leaves, voluntary leaves, involuntary leaves, and unpaid leaves, and the number of days allotted for that: 6 days for sick leaves, 8 days for privilege leaves. So this format has to be followed to upload these leaves. So now let's move on to leaves upload. Here we are going to upload. So here in this page, admin is going to upload the data of the leave, all the leaves taken by the faculty. Just click on view reference here and download the template we have given. Use this template to add the data in the same format. Give the email of the faculty, give the type of leave, and the total number of leaves available and total number of leaves they have taken. Give the start date, end date, and the available leaves, and their manager name. So this format has to be followed to upload the leaves here. So now let's move on to types of leaves. Here admin can view and modify the types of leaves they have added. So first select on the academic year. So these are the leaves that admin has added already. Click on this edit option given here, and you can make any changes. You can change the number and click on modify here. So we have changed the number of sick leaves here. So you can also add the leave type here by clicking on add leave, giving the name of the type of the leave and number of leaves, and click on add here. So now this is it for this page. Okay, now let's move on to all modules feedback. Here admin can add the feedback for all the modules. Just select the appropriate option from the drop down, and you'll find a list of the feedback given by the students. if you want to find the feedback of the any particular module, just use this search bar given here, type the module name, and you'll find the detail of that particular and you'll find the detail of the feedback of that particular module. Okay, the next one is circulars. Here admin can create circulars here. Just give the title and give the user which we are going to dedicate the circular for, like student, faculty, like this. Choose the user role and click on choose file here, and upload the circular you are going to circulate, and click on view here if you want to have a preview of that. Otherwise you can just click on save here. In this way we are going to upload a circular. The next is view circular. Here you are going, here admin can view the circulars that are already created. So here you can print and download the circular as well. So this is pretty much for admin module in our ERP software. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.